Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to show you some of the new product that we have in. This is mainly just going to be showing you some paper and embellishments. We have other new product in, but there are lots of different items, and they'll be listed under the new product category. We also have more items that we have added into my clearance album, so just look for the E clearance album and there'll be lots of things in there. Some of those tab punches that you guys have been wanting for the whale tail punch, we have added more of those in there, and just some different things that we're trying to move, so you can check that out. Alright, first we have some collections by P13. This is a brand new company, just started up this year, I do believe. They may have been in a little while last year, I can't remember, but I have not ordered from them before up until now. They're from Poland, if I'm not mistaken. So this one is called Forest Tea Party, and this is one of my favorites. And you know I will use all these little pieces on the front too, but I'm going to have to do it this way to show you all of these papers. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? All of these you can cut out and use for fussy cutting. And then this little sheet, look at that. Those cute. And I'm trying to get it all in frame. I'm trying to let you see everything. And these papers are very good quality. Hear that? I told you, when you can do this to a paper and you can hear that sound, that's a good quality paper. I think they say on this it is, let's see if it says 240 GSM. So that's a good quality paper. That's the back of that one. And then there is that one. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I just love these. Okay. And then the back of this one. And this is my this is my pack, and you can see I've already cut something. I'm going to be doing a tutorial out of a piece of this tomorrow. So this is that sheet. And then there's the back. Very pretty. All forestry, and look at this little, it's a little rat, and it's got a teacup and a teapot. It's a little deer over here, and then all of this, that's so pretty. Butterfly. You could fussy cut this and use it as part of a page or on part of your page. Lots of different options for this collection, and look at that. Love, love, love them. And I do believe they have two of each style in here. These journaling cards, look at that. Very pretty. And then this is the back of that one. And I know that's upside down, but you can tell what it is. And there's that one. That's so pretty. You could cut out just this and make, you know, little pockets out of it, or side tucks. Look at that. That has just a faint word print in the background there. Okay, and that. Now maybe I'm starting all over. So that's the papers in this one. And then the front and back cover is just this. So it's just cutouts. Lots and lots of cutouts. That's the back cover. And then you've got some fussy cut pieces on the back, just like you do on the front cover. So nothing is wasted. Love, love, love that. Like I said, that one's mine, so I'm going to lay it over here so I won't get it mixed up. We also got in some of the Tim Holtz field notes. I had lots of people who had asked me about this, and I wanted to go ahead and get some in and start carrying them in the shop. So I got the field notes, the regular size, and then the snippets. So this is the regular size, and it has, you know, all of this in there. And I'm sorry about the glare. I don't want to take all these out. You guys have seen me use these lots of times though, so you know what's in there. All kinds of butterflies and bees and mushrooms and flowers and all kinds of things. And then this is the snippets. These are the smaller ones here. And sorry about the glare. I'm trying to keep it off, but you know, that's almost impossible when you're showing something like this that you don't want to take out of the packs. Now we also have the Welcome Easter in. We have had this in for a couple of weeks, but I haven't really shown it because I was waiting to get the, what did we get? We got the little, the little pearls, whatever it is to go with these, the little pop dots. I think we got those in finally, so I was kind of waiting on that. But we have the Welcome Easter, and you know Easter is just around the corner, so we have that in. Beautiful colors. As you can see, that will be the papers that's in there. And you get 12 by 12, double-sided. And I'm pretty sure it is 2 of each design, I do believe. But you also get these bonus sheets, which is the sticker sheet, and then the cards, the ephemera cards. Looks like there's 3 different sizes of ephemera cards in there. So you also get lots of that too. And there's the sticker sheet. Nice paper. And I don't know how many of these we have left. We've sold some because, you know, when we put them up, people see them and they buy them before I even talk about them. So some are gone. Now this is one of my favorite collections. I love, love, love this. Love these rain boots. They had one similar to this last year that had some rain boots in it, but these are a little bit different. They have a little buckle on the back and a little different sole, and then they have the little umbrellas, the butterflies, all of that. And then this also has a sticker sheet and then 2 of the element, I would call these like journaling cards in there too. So there's the sticker sheet. So that's that one. And then we have more of the letters and flowers in. We just got these in today. So if you're wanting those, we've got more of those in stock. I had quite a few people that ask about this. This is a Stamperia. So we've got those in. We got more of the House of Roses in. I had quite a few that wanted those. We got those in today. So those are up in the shop. We also got more of the New England. I think somebody had called it an Old England, or maybe we had put it in as Old England, but it is actually New England. They had their description kind of messed up for the vendor, so it is New England, but it's the same paper. It's the blue with all of that beautiful writing and flowers and things on there. So we've got a few more of those in. Then we have more of the P13 papers. This is the 4 seasons and this is summer. We got this one in, and you can see all of this. I'll definitely use every piece of everything. And look at this. All of these can be fussy cut. Look at all these flowers that you can fussy cut out and use. And this car, oh, this is beautiful. Good quality paper. And there's your strawberries. I want some strawberries right now, looking at those. And then that, isn't that beautiful? Look at this page. That is gorgeous. I love that. I will have to, I haven't pulled me one of these yet, but I think I'll have to. Look at that. So pretty. And then there. And I'm just showing these real quick because I just wanted to get a video up today showing you some things. I'm not in a frame of mind right now to do a tutorial. As you know, Brandon's mother passed away on Sunday and we had her funeral yesterday, and we just got back into town late last night. So we're still all a little bit, zonked out from that. So I wasn't in a frame of mind to do a tutorial, but I wanted to show you these new collections that we got in, just to let you know that they're in there if you want to take a look. And then these flowers, isn't that pretty? And look at this. Look at that old car with all the flowers and everything peeking out of it. Isn't that pretty? These are gorgeous. These will make some beautiful journals, mini albums. Oh my goodness. I can just think of thousands of things I want to do with this. These could be cut out for journaling cards. Tastes like summer. I'm so ready for spring. And look at that. I love that right there. And it goes so well with this page. Look at that. See that? Isn't that pretty? So far I am happy with P13. I'm happy with their paper, the quality of it, everything looks good. They also give you this little color code right here. So if you have some other papers that you'd like to add with it, they give you a little color code that shows you the different colors that's in here. So you could use that too. I just think that's neat. So there's the green. And then look at that together. Isn't that pretty? And it starts back over with the strawberries. So that one again is the Four Seasons Summer. And it has 12 by 12 paper, 12 double-sided sheets, 2 sheets of 6 designs, 2 bonuses on the cover and the back, or on the front and back cover, I should say. So there's your other bonus. And then it is 240 GSM cardstocks. That's a good quality cardstock. Okay, we also have Sunshine. Now this one, as soon as I put it up, it started selling. So I don't know if people were just looking for this or what. But I think we still have a few left. Not many, I don't think, but a few. And this is also P13. This is 12 by 12 paper. 2 sheets of 6 designs, 240 GSM. Looks like that's kind of their standard. And this is made by Joanna Sawaka. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but anyway. So let's just look at this one. Now this one on the front cover, it has the a map on there. So you could use a map, or you could cut these out and use them. I'll cut these out and use these for belly bands. That's just the right size for belly bands. And then here is your pages. Look at that Eiffel Tower. And then there is that beautiful green. And it goes so well with that. Look at that. There's your lemons. This is making me want fruit. Lemons and strawberries. Look at that. And watermelons. Oranges. It's pretty. Very pretty. And then there's that one. And it goes well with that page right there. All the cameras on there. That. And then you have your journaling cards here. And then there is that page. Kind of looks like sand. And then it goes well with that. And the girl in her bathing suit. And then it starts over there. So that one again is called Sunshine. And then let me grab this other one before I show the smaller one. This one is Beyond the Sea, and this is P13 as well. Same papers, same design, same amount. 2 bonus covers, the front and back covers, bonus sheets. So you have all of these that you can cut out. And then there's one for your shells. There is that one. Isn't that pretty? I love that. That would look pretty to make a page out of it and let that look like it's an old, house or something sitting out there. Oh, that'd be pretty. And then there's that one. Here's this one. And I know some of these are showing upside down, but I hate to keep flipping the book. Love my lighthouses. So that's got lighthouses, all kinds of things in it. And then here's this one. That wood grain is beautiful. Love that. And look how well it goes with that page. So that page right there, that's pretty too. Love that. And then here you go with this. You could cut these out, make these into little pockets. This one is Make Waves. Love that. You can use these for journaling cards. And then look at that. It's got the map on it. Let's see what that's a map of. Oh, that's U.S. There's Georgia, Florida, Alabama, South Carolina, North Carolina. All of that in there. Cool. And then there is that. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, that's neat. It makes me want to go to the beach. And then that one, the sand again. And then it starts over. So, and then on the back cover, you have your cutouts again. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. Okay, that one again was Beyond the Sea. Then we have this one, and this one is called Damask Delight. And I'm going to have to open this one to show you the pages, so hold on. Sorry about the crinkling. Oops. Okay, this one is from the Paper Boutique, and it is an A4, 120 GSM, 40 sheets, 10 designs. And again, it's called Damask Delights. This one, you could definitely use this right here. You could use that. Cut those out, use them. Every bit of this can be used. But they are single-sided, so you don't have to decide which side you want to use. Isn't that pretty? And they're not, even though they're 140, they're not flimsy. They're still a good weight. But I'll show you these really quick. Isn't that pretty? This is a brand new collection. That's beautiful right there. Love that lavender. This is be good for Easter, your Easter projects, Easter cards, anything like that. So pretty. I hope I'm not going too fast, but maybe you can just pause if you want to look at something a little bit more in depth. That. And this one's one of my favorite sheets. That's so pretty. I will definitely have to use that. You could do that like that, and look, there's your cover for a journal right there. That is your cover. Fantastic. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Let's see, we got that one. And that one. And I think I may have already started over. Yeah, I think I've started over again already. So, yeah. So that is the Damask Delights. And I'll put that back in the bag when we finish. And then we did get in a few more, just a few more of these, the Bo Bunny Family Heritage that we had in for the February kits. We got in a few more of these. I don't know how many's left, but I think we got in 6, so you can just check it out if you want one of these. This one has 36 pages in it, and it's single-sided. So check that out if you still want one of those. All right, guys, that is it. Don't forget to check out the clearance album. We've got a few things that it's just odds and ends that we needed to clearance out. So Melina has been working today trying to add those in and put little bundles together. So there's some little bundles in there of different things. So don't forget to check those out and see if there's anything in there that you might be interested in. And we thank you all so much for all your prayers, your support, the money that some of you sent to Brandon and Melina during this time. It is very much appreciated. They, as I told you last week, they stayed with his mom about 2 weeks when she was terminal. When they sent her home, she wasn't able to, do anything for herself. Of course, hospice was there in and out. But as you know, someone has to be with them all the time. So they stayed with her day and night. We kept the kids here. And, neither one of them got to work. So there was 2 weeks that, they didn't get any pay. So there was some people that, PayPal'd some money to me to give to them. And I have given them that money. And they said, thank you so much. You'll never know how much that is appreciated and how far that has gone to, I'm going to tear up here, to help them pay bills and buy groceries and things that they need. So I really appreciate you guys. You are a blessing to our family, and we really appreciate you. Thank you so much. I'm going to get off of here before I start squalling like a big bear, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.